Hi, my name is Sooriyaa and I will presenting about my paper that is classification of fish bacteria disease by using artificial neural network. So, the introduction. All type of disease in fish are difficult to identify because they have the same similar clinical sign, and even if they can be identified, they only can be identified when they are mature enough. So therefore, the creation of new and more effective approach for the diagnosis of type of bacteria which causes disease in the animal is clearly required. So the main goal of our paper is to provide the robust framework for the rapid and effective diagnosis of fish disease. So the methodology that we use for this paper is feed forward neural network, because this model is been successfully used in other contexts for classification, prediction and troubleshooting. So the dataset that we use for this paper is fish health database that was documented in recommendation 22 presented in volume 3 of final report in October 12, 2012. So the input and output, the input for this dataset is there are 7. That is, the first one is swollen anus, gill affected, blindness, bleeding, intestine bruising, membrane surrounding the organ, and ulcer. The output variable is myxobacterial gill disease and fusion bacteria disease. So we are moving on to findings. In this study, the artificial neural network model is implemented using Python. In the beginning, the dataset of CSV file format was imported and then read. There are two components in this dataset, which is X and Y, which represent to input and output respectively. So we use 70% training set and 30% for testing set. So the artificial neural model was built using Python. Later the model was ready to be tested and trained using 500 epoch. After the model running complete, the training accuracy is 73% and the test accuracy is 68%. The training MSE is 12% and the test MSE is also the same, that is 12%. So we move to conclusion. Finally, this article demonstrates the method used in artificial neural network, which is 2 feed forward back propagation, one of the construction and the other one is for testing the diagnosed fish disease caused by myxobacterial gill disease or fission form bacteria. At the beginning of the study, it shows that it is hard to classify type of bacteria that brings disease to fish due to the clinical similarity problem. By using this method in ANN, at least give a lot of benefit for us to easily classify the particular problem. The result of the dataset we got from the artificial is very impressive, as the result of neural network represent an effective step in helping researchers to diagnose fish related illness and can further enhance the broader medical world. Thank you.